In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add different currencies on QuickBooks Online, invoicing multi-currencies. QuickBooks Online is a fantastic tool for managing your business finances, and if you work with clients or vendors in different countries, enabling multi-currency support can be a game changer. This feature allows you to send invoices, track expenses, and handle transactions in multiple currencies, making it easier to manage your global operations. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the steps to enable multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. To begin, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Account and Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your QuickBooks account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several categories. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This section contains more in-depth settings for your account, and it's where we'll find the option to enable multi-currency. Once you're inside the advanced settings, scroll down until you locate the section called Currency. It might take a moment to find, so take your time and scroll carefully. When you reach the Currency section, you'll see an option for multi-currency. Click on that option to see the toggle or checkbox that allows you to enable this feature. Go ahead and activate it by clicking the toggle switch or checking the box, depending on how it's displayed on your screen. QuickBooks may prompt you with a confirmation message or additional information about enabling multi-currency. Review this carefully, and when you're ready, confirm your choice. Once you've enabled the multi-currency feature, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button. This is usually located at the bottom of the page, and click it to apply the changes you've made. QuickBooks will now update your settings and the multi-currency feature will be active. That's it! You've successfully enabled multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. From here, you can start adding and using different currencies for your customers, vendors, and transactions. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses working internationally, and it makes managing finances across borders much more streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.